So who am I speaking with?
Hi, my name is Tom Casey. I'm a sales engineer, Unified Communications with Netscout.
And I was very impressed. You guys were a finalist for Best of Interop, and what was it that you were a finalist for?
Well, that's right. Netscout very recently acquired a very small company called Cytechnics, specializing in voice and video performance management. And that helps complete their service delivery management platform. So tying together application performance, monitoring of availability and performance of other typical common applications for enterprise and managed service providers. They've now completed that picture to include monitoring of voice over IP and video over IP.
Okay, so show me what got you to be a finalist or nominated for Best of Interop.
Okay, so this is called the nGenius Voice and Video Manager. It allows us to monitor in real time, passively monitoring the real voice and video performance for things like video conferencing, teleconferencing, and other collaboration tools. This includes soft clients like Microsoft Lync, IBM SameTime, as well as video Cisco telepresence, other flavors of telepresence, Tamberg, Polycom. And so what we're able to do is filter through real-time traffic to see specific slices of collaboration tools. And in this case, I can look at, for example, all of the performance of all of my conference calls, and identify by looking at key performance indicators like voice level, signal-to-noise ratio. I can identify application level performance problems and distinguish those from network layer or transport layer performance problems like packet loss and jitter. This is quite unique in the marketplace. Traditional approaches to voice and to video have primarily focused on IP QoS, and that's not to say that isn't important, but it's only a piece of the puzzle. And what NVVM does, nGenius Voice and Video Manager, what it does is slice through all of the impairments that might impact our experience as users of voice and video to focus on just those pieces of the network layer or of the application layer, so that troubleshooters, operations level engineers, can isolate and eliminate the sources of those trouble. So in this case, I've already filtered through my traffic to identify conference calls. I've identified a problem with voice level. Let me drill into this to get to the heart of the matter. And I can see that I've got two sites that are sources of voice level issues. The first is a site in Reading. And so my Microsoft OCS or Microsoft Lync users in Reading, 100% of the time have a voice level issue. And so let's take a look at that. I can identify the streams that exhibit this behavior. These streams, when I say stream, I mean half of a conversation. So any conversation is composed of a back and forth. And in this case, I can see I've got a couple conversations with this problem. And in a simplified network view, I can see that my MCU, my media conferencing unit, my bridge, is the source of a voice level problem that affects my Reading location. So what I've identified then is something that's a bit more systemic than at first I thought. I thought it was just a Reading problem. Instead, if I've got a voice level problem at my conference bridge, it's going to affect everyone who interfaces with that bridge. And so this allows me to see within a few clicks why I've got trouble and where I've got trouble, so that an operations level engineer can find that, eliminate that, modify the configuration of the bridge, and get back to healthy performance.
Excellent. Thanks so much for your time.
Thank you.